Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by powering off and unplugging the AirPods Max. This prevents accidental damage. Next, remove the cushions. Hold the ear cup, pull the rim outward and unclip. Do one side at a time. Once detached, place cushions on a clean, lint-free cloth to avoid recontamination. Do this now because cleaning the cushions separately lets you reach the mesh and frame without risking moisture near electronics, and it makes each subsequent step precise and safe for delicate materials. Now clean the cushions and speaker mesh. You want a soft, lint-free cloth slightly dampened with plain water, never soaking wet, because excess liquid harms the electronics. Gently blot the fabric, and if debris remains, run a soft toothbrush across the mesh in short strokes to dislodge particles. Once done, allow cushions to air dry completely on a flat, ventilated surface. This prevents trapped moisture. Make sure to avoid soaps or solvents on foam because they degrade material and change fit and sound. Finish by aligning each cushion with its ear cup and pressing the rim until you feel a soft click. This ensures correct seating and acoustic seal. Once reinstalled, test audio. If sound is muffled, remove the cushion and inspect the mesh for trapped debris, repeating the gentle brushing step as needed. If moisture was a concern, let parts air dry longer. Do not use heat sources or compressed air. This avoids warping if issues persist. Repeat cleaning rather than forcing parts back together.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.